Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Wind Chimes Nature's Melody Symphony Tunes Wind Chimes. And as with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like buying these I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I apologize, this is kind of a long box, so it's kind of hard to get you all the information. There's some written information on the back. It's in 3 different languages, so it's basically all saying the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can take a look at what they look like. So bear with me a second here. Everything's wrapped quite nice. As expected, there's a little bit of untangling you might have to do when you open it up, but that's pretty normal when you order wind chimes. So the weather's a little bit yucky outside today, but maybe I'll take these outside, get them hung up, so you can get an idea of what they would look like on a patio. Really nice though. Wooden balls, wooden top, wooden weights. Give you an idea. Nice metal hook. String's nice and thick. Sometimes when you get these wind chimes, the string can be really fragile. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.